So here is the website that we're going to be building step by step with no step skipped. This is going to be built in WordPress, so it's super professional, and this tutorial is for complete beginners. So no HTML, no coding, no PHP, CSS, no technical jargon, none of that. So as you can see, we have our logo right up here, our menu, and this big featured image. We have our testimonials and people we've worked with. So this is under our recent work. So this website is good for anyone who has a portfolio or anyone who needs to show off their work, or maybe they have a gym and they want to show different things. Anything that needs a photo gallery, really good for that. Maybe an artist. So what we can do here is we can click on testimonials or who we've worked with, and we can see that the different images come up depending on what we click on. So if we just want to look at testimonials, we can click it and it looks really good. So we can actually click on these different things and it slides up and you can give more information right here. And we put in a little button so if people can contact us. We can also click on who we've worked with. So Robert has worked with Sir Elton John and Bob Dylan's piano, so that's pretty cool. We can get more information about that, so that's pretty awesome. And you can just click this slider button. So this is a really cool website, especially if you need a portfolio or photo gallery, or any of your work needs to be seen, which I really do recommend. All right. So once we do that, we have our logo in different tabs up here. And as you can see, this is the same thing that was on our home page, but we have more tabs. More different galleries. And we can click on who we work with or testimonials, and it shows up. So it's really cool. You can give a little information right here, and you can click on it, and you can learn more, same as the front page. All right, then we have our services. So we have our image here of the piano, because Robert does piano services. He does tuning, repair, refinishing, case design. This can be any of your services, or it could be any other page that you want. So we have an About Me, and this is just a really clean, simple About Me page with his image in right there. And we have Bob's Stories. So what this is it's a blog telling about different stories of Bob's. He's worked with Steinway and Sons, and he has a recommendation letter on them. And so this is just different blog entries. So you can use this for any sort of blog that you want to do. Working with Elton John, that's a pretty interesting blog post there. You can click and you can learn more or read more. And people can also comment if they want on the blog. They can say, oh my god, that was amazing. Then we have a contact page. So if anyone wants to get in touch with Bob and wants to use his services, they can call, they can email, they can fill out the form. And we also have his service area. Bob is up in Canada, so we want to put in his service area so that people from New York aren't calling him. But maybe he would fly out if it was a big enough person. I'm sure he would. All right, so that is the website. Again, it is for beginners, but it's a very professional website. We're using the same technology as CNN, Forbes, Jay-Z, Katy Perry, but no coding or HTML or confusing technical jargon required. And yeah, this is a really cool, amazing website, especially if you need some sort of portfolio or gallery, because you have these different options of showing these different things, which is really cool, I think. All right, so let's get started.